In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Facebook cover photo in Canva. Whether you're creating this for personal use, your business, or a client, learning how to craft a striking cover photo can significantly enhance your Facebook page's aesthetics. The best part is you don't need to be a design expert to do it. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Canva's website. Once you're on Canva's homepage, navigate to the search bar at the top and type in Facebook cover photo. This search will yield a wide array of pre-designed templates specifically tailored for Facebook cover dimensions, taking the hassle out of manually resizing your design. With the search complete, you'll see a selection of templates appear. Take your time to scroll through these options and select a design that resonates with your theme or message. Clicking on the template you like will bring up a larger view. Once you've selected a template, click Customize this template to open it in Canva's editor. The editor is an intuitive space where you can make this design your own. You have tools to modify text, colors, and images, as well as access to Canva's library of icons, stickers, and shapes to enhance your cover photo. Now, let's start with the text. Click on any text box to modify it with your tagline, business name, or inspirational quote. Try combining fonts or applying effects like bold or shadow to make your text stand out. For images, you can keep the existing ones or replace them with your own. Upload images from your computer or choose from Canva's stock library. Consider high-quality images that align with your brand colors or mood. You can also add overlays or shapes behind text for emphasis and adjust alignment for a balanced layout. After personalizing your text and images, review your design to ensure it's visually appealing and represents your intended message. Once satisfied, download your creation and upload it as your new Facebook cover photo. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these steps on designing a Facebook cover photo in Canva easy and helpful. Experiment with colors, layouts, and images to make your cover truly unique and eye-catching. Happy designing!